The following chart represents the vowel sounds of American English categorized by their corresponding IPA symbols. The IPA simply means International Phonetics Alphabet. Now the chart's organized according to the symbol, which is a sound, some sample words, the tongue height, the tongue advancement, and this one, it just simply means where is the tongue in your mouth when you produce the vowel sound? Is the tongue more toward the front, or is it in the middle, or is it more toward the back? So the tongue actually moves in your mouth when you produce certain vowel sounds. The lip rounding. This simply means are you producing this sound with rounded or unrounded lips? Tenseness. This simply means is the tongue soft or hard when you actually produce the vowel sound? Remember, the tongue is a muscle. And just like you can put a fist in your hand and you can make your arm really tight and you can feel the muscle in your arm, you can also do that same thing with your tongue. Okay, the little I. E, E, E. Meat, beat, people, money. This is a high, front, unrounded, tense vowel. The big I. I, I, I. Bit, mit, hit, business, malignant. This is a high, front, unrounded, lax vowel. The little e. A, A, A. Mate, gate, gauge, rain, they. This is a mid, front, unrounded tense vowel. The big E or capital E. Eh, eh, eh. Temple, guest, bury, reception, says. This is a mid, front, unrounded, lax vowel. This sound, I call it the ash. Ah, ah, ah. Mat, laugh, rally, comrade, anger. This is a low, front, unrounded, lax vowel. The little u. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Suit, blue, through, who, sewer, do. This is a high, back, rounded, tense vowel. Capital U. Uh, uh, Put, foot, butcher, could. This is a high, back, rounded, lax vowel. The O. 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 Boat, bow, though, open, mow. This is a mid-back rounded tense vowel. The open O. Bought, caught, wrong, core. This is a mid-back rounded lax vowel. The open O is not used in all areas of the United States. In fact, this sound is more popular in the Northeast, in areas like Boston, Massachusetts, areas of New York, and other parts of the northeastern areas of the United States. Now, a lot of areas of the United States, for example, California, we would use the ah. We would say bought, not bought. So I do want to point out that this sound does exist in the United States. However, it's not across all areas of the United States. The little a. Ah. 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 Caught. Father. Sergeant. Honor. Hospital. This is a low, back, unrounded, lax vowel. The wedge. This is what's called the stressed schwa or wedge sound. But, tough, oven, another, brother. So the sound is kind of like a uh. This is a mid-central, unrounded, lax vowel. The schwa. Uh. Ability. Asia. Sofa. Around. This is a mid-central, unrounded, lax vowel. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, you just heard the wedge, which is but, tough, oven, and so on. You heard the as in ability, Asia. These are really both schwa sounds. The only difference is this sound occurs in the stressed syllable. Notice but, tough, oven, another, and this one occurs in the unstressed syllables of words. In American English, the schwa sound, as you'll find out in this TOEFL pronunciation subscription service, is a very, very common sound in American English, something that you want to get used to. All right, let's talk about our diphthongs. A diphthong simply means it's two vowels. One sound kind of glides into the next sound. The AY or I. Bite. Stein. Island. Choir. Aisle. The ah sound glides into the E. I. Let's take a look at the next one. The AW or ow. Bout. Brown. Loud. Town. Clown. The ah sound kind of glides into the oo. Ow. And the last vowel sound of American English, oi. For example, joy, oily, annoy, rejoice. the O glides into the E sound. Notice, O, oi. If you say them separately, you can kind of hear it. O, E. But we don't say O and then E. We say oi, oi.